Let's look at the anatomy of the inventory page. You can search and select inventory items here. Searching here will list only the active inventory items. To include both active and inactive inventory items, double-click here before searching. When the red border appears in this search icon, it means the search will include both active and inactive items. Double-clicking on this field again will remove the red border from the search icon. When there is no red border in the search icon, searching will only list the active items. Upon searching, select the item from the drop-down list. This is the trade name. This is the generic name. Clicking this icon will bring to the detailed stock movement page, opens in a new tab/window. This is the detailed stock movement page. Refer monitoring stocks for more information on this page. This is the pharmaceutical form of the drug. Note that this pharmaceutical form is not inventory unit. As such, do not use units like bottle here. The list of the pharmaceutical forms can be managed here under Forms. This is the trade name of the item. Include the concentration here as good practice, e.g. 500 mg, 200 mg/5 ml. If this icon is shown, it means there are items expiring in the next 180 days. Click to see the list. To list down items expiring in certain number of days, enter the number of days here and click Change. If this icon is shown, it means there are items less than the minimum stock levels. Click to see the list. These are the items with quantities less than the minimum levels. The minimum levels are set individually for each item and only items with minimum levels set will be shown in this list. Recalc button is to recalculate the stocks. Clicking this button will run the recalculation process, which will take some time to complete. While recalculating process is ongoing, this icon will be displayed. These are the stock levels for the inventory item. For clinics with 2 tiers configured, store and local levels will be shown. For clinics with 1 tier configured, both store and local will show the same figure. The tier configuration can be checked here. Flexible means that in the patient page, when medicine/injections are searched, the items will be displayed even if the stock is 0. This can also be configured as strict. Strict means that in the patient page, when medicine/injections are searched, only items that are in stock will be displayed. This can be 2-tier or 1-tier. For 2-tier, items are received from suppliers into the store first, and then needs to be issued to local dispensary in order to be used for patients. For 1-tier, store and local dispensary are considered as single entity. When items are received from suppliers, they can use straight away after recording them. Click New to empty or to rest this page. That's it. To be continued in Inventory Page Anatomy, Part 2.